Hello everybody, this is Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. I've been out of commission. I turned 80 years old this year, and I've been in the hospital getting whatever issues I've had. So I've been not doing my videos like I wanted to do and programming like I wanted to do to help you people pass your calculus tests or physics tests too. This one is dealing with the product rule. I like to go back once in a while and check what I've done and maybe program it different or more better in ways. But anyways, after you buy my programs, I download them to you on your email, and you load them into your Titanium here with the instructions, of course. And you're told how to put index 8. Index 8 here is, with the open and close parentheses, is my main menu. And that's the neat thing about my programs, is whatever you come up with, whether product rule or partial fraction decomposition or partial fractions, whatever, partial derivatives, is all in the menu. So whatever the problem they would ask you in a test, you just go to there and then access the correct program. So index 8, to get to my main menu, we're going to press enter here. And I'm already at product rule. You can see you can go up or down, to get to the here's polar double integrals product rule. Okay, so let's press enter here. See in the right other bottom corner, it's loading the program. So the program comes up. We're differentiating between two functions. There's h of x. First one function is f of x and the other one is g of x. And of course the formula is at the bottom here. The h prime of x, which is a derivative of h of x, is you take the derivative of the first function times the original g of x, and then times the original f of x times the derivative of g of x. So let's press enter here and keep going. There are two functions. Here they are. I try to help you as much as I can to understand it. This calculus. Now we would enter. You have to press alpha first. Here's alpha. You have to press that first to enter anything into these entry lines here, no matter what. Okay, you have to press that first, then it'll enter them pretty good, Let me see here. But I've already entered these so that the simulator doesn't screw up. Sometimes it screws up, so I've already entered the functions in here. Let's press enter again. And you can see that f times x plus negative 9x cubed times the, just like on the picture here of the screen. And so I say it's okay. In case you made a mistake, you can go back and change it. You can press the 1 or 2 in front of these changes, or you can scroll to it. For instance, if I went there, it would go back to and we would load the functions again. Then I say it's okay, so I can press 1 here. And here's the formula for the derivative of the function. You write this all on your paper now. Don't just look at it on your test. You scribble something down. Don't write it very neat, but make sure, because you remember everything is partial credit and class curve. In other words, whatever you write down there, you're going to get a couple points for it, So you write this down, then I substitute the proper, for instance, this is the derivative of the first function. Notice 5 is the derivative here, and then 3 times negative 9 is minus 27, and then subtract 1 from the 3 here. And here's the original function for g of x, and here's the original for the f of x, and here's the derivative of, because the derivative of the g of x is 2 times x, right? So let's move on. We multiply using the FOIL. Remember the first, the outside, the inside, and the last. That's what we're doing here. Notice the first is 5 times x squared. Here's 5x squared. And the outside is minus 27 times 8. And then etc. So that we're using that FOIL method to do that, okay? To multiply those functions together. And then we multiply the second one together and we come up with 10 squared negative 18x to the fourth. We add those two together to get common terms, you know. And here's the answer. My negative 45x to the fourth plus minus 201x squared plus 40. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepCalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass your calculus. And good luck in your classes. Calculus is, in my opinion, a waste of time. It's like doing crossword puzzles or Sudoku puzzles. You know, extremely difficult, very hard to do. But when you've accomplished nothing. So have a good one. Good luck in your classes.